Hey there, friend. Your breakfast. That crunchy bowl you scoop out, the one with promises of natural goodness or a wholesome start, often pictured with sun-kissed fruit. I have to level with you. It could be a sneaky sugar trap. For years, many of us, myself included, truly believed granola was the gold standard for a healthy morning. It felt substantial, brimming with vitality. But so much of what's on shelves is just brilliant marketing. It's high time we peeled back that glossy wrapper and saw what truly lies beneath. We're going to uncover 7 types of granola you might want to reconsider, especially as we navigate life after 60. And then I'll hand you 5 incredibly simple, delicious ways to enjoy oats that genuinely nourish your body rather than tricking it. Get ready to truly uplift your morning meal. Think of it like this. Imagine someone took a sugary donut, crumbled it up, baked it crunchy, then packaged it as healthy breakfast. That's not far from the reality of many granolas. They cleverly hide ingredients that can quietly chip away at your energy, send your blood sugar on a roller coaster, and even contribute to a stubborn waistline. The biggest culprit? Sugars wearing disguises. You won't always see sugar bold on the label. Instead, keep an eye out for terms like evaporated cane juice, agave nectar, brown rice syrup, or even just plain honey listed high up. Your body processes these just like table sugar, leading to those frustrating energy peaks followed by a sudden heavy crash. Then there are the oils. Often, cheap, highly processed oils like palm, soybean, or canola oil are heavily used. These contribute empty calories and can stir up inflammation in your body, leaving you with that achy feeling or a general sense of sluggishness. And the fiber they brag about? Often it's not the robust whole grain kind that truly fills you up, but rather added fillers that don't deeply satisfy or properly feed your gut. It's a clever game they play, and you deserve to know how to win it. Let's pull back the curtain on some common culprits. First, the granola that sings sweet songs, the one often labeled honey oat. Sounds wonderfully pure, doesn't it? As if nature itself crafted it. But remember, honey, though natural, is still sugar. And here's the kicker. Many of these don't stop at honey. They layer it with other sugars like corn syrup or plain old cane sugar. A powerful insight. When you glance at the ingredients, if any sweetener, be it honey, sugar, or any syrup, appears among the first 3 items, treat it like a dessert. It signals a heavy sweet load, not a balanced start. Then there's the low-fat variety, a real heartbreaker for many. We were all conditioned to believe low-fat meant healthy. The truth is, when manufacturers strip out the fat for flavor, they almost always pump in more sugar. So you might cut one thing only to unknowingly load up on another that your body ends up storing as fat anyway. Don't let the low-fat badge fool you without a careful peek at the sugar content. It's a truly cunning trick. And finally, those ubiquitous granola bars that promise a quick, wholesome breakfast. Oh, the convenience. But too many of these are just cleverly packaged candy bars disguised with a sprinkling of oats. Be vigilant for corn syrup solids or rice syrup high on their lists. If it feels sticky sweet and lacks the real chew of whole grains, it's likely a sugar bomb, best saved for an occasional treat, not your daily breakfast fuel. Try reading the ingredient list on any granola or cereal you buy. If sugar or any form of syrup is among the first 3 ingredients, consider it a dessert, not a healthy meal. Now let's keep uncovering these sneaky breakfast imposters. Next up, any granola proudly listing vegetable oils. This phrase is a giant flashing red light on the ingredient panel. Vegetable oils often means highly processed, inflammation-promoting oils like soybean, canola, corn, or cottonseed. These aren't your friendly olive or avocado oils. They can contribute to deeper issues in your body, from those familiar aches to even a foggier mind over time. And if you ever spot partially hydrogenated oil anywhere on that list, consider it a full-blown emergency exit signal. That's trans fat, truly detrimental to your heart health. Always look for specific, healthier fats like coconut or olive oil mentioned by name, if any fats are there at all. Then there's granola that boasts inulin as its primary fiber source. While inulin has its own benefits for gut flora, relying solely on it means you're missing the vast array of nutrients and diverse fibers found in whole grains. It's like having one piece of a puzzle and thinking you see the whole picture. You need the full spectrum of whole grain goodness, the kind of fiber that actually fills you up and helps everything move smoothly. Inulin alone won't deliver that satisfying, nourishing feeling. Also, watch out for granolas offering minimal protein. If your bowl provides less than 4 or 5 grams of protein per serving, it's not really a meal designed to sustain you. You'll eat it, feel satisfied for a fleeting hour, and then find yourself rummaging for snacks again. Especially as we age, protein is vital for holding on to precious muscle mass and keeping our bodies resilient. A proper breakfast should offer lasting energy, not just a fleeting sugar high followed by a quick energy slump. Your muscles and brain deserve more than empty carbs. Finally, let's talk about those delightful chunky granolas. We all love those substantial clusters, right? They feel so satisfying. But often, those big, appealing clumps aren't just naturally fused oats. They're usually held together with a generous amount of extra sugar and oil. The bigger and more rigid the clusters, the more likely they're bound with sticky, sweet ingredients you don't need. It's like a delicious, crunchy glue, but that glue is often just more sugar and cheap fats. All right, enough with the breakfast booby traps. Let's pivot to your true breakfast champion, simple whole oats. Forget the elaborate packaging and misleading claims. Unadorned, whole rolled oats are your potent secret weapon for a breakfast that genuinely benefits you. They're kind to your wallet, incredibly versatile, and truly a blank canvas for any flavor you desire. Why are they so fantastic? They're brimming with soluble fiber. This isn't just any fiber. It's a gut superstar that works wonders for digestion, keeps your blood sugar wonderfully steady, meaning no more sudden energy crashes or mid-morning slumps. It also lends a hand in keeping your cholesterol in check. Think of this fiber acting like a gentle sponge in your system, absorbing and slowing down how quickly your body takes in sugar. That steady release of energy means oats keep you feeling full far longer than most other breakfast options. This translates to less unplanned snacking later and a much more sustained energy flow throughout your entire morning. It's a pure win-win for your well-being. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and discover how to make oats truly work wonders for you. Here's a brilliant idea for those busy mornings. Overnight oats, your personal time-saving hero. It's incredibly simple. Grab any jar or small container. Pour in some old-fashioned rolled oats. Then add your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a non-dairy option. Toss in a handful of fresh or frozen berries. They add natural sweetness and antioxidants. Stir everything together, pop it into the fridge, and let it sit overnight. The oats will soften beautifully and soak up all that liquid, creating a creamy texture. In the morning, you just grab it and go. It's a supremely simple, incredibly filling breakfast that completely bypasses the rush and the temptation for unhealthy quick fixes. It's literally breakfast ready and waiting for you. For our next trick, let's talk about the Egg White Boost, your secret protein punch. This might sound a little unconventional, but trust me on this one, it's a revelation. As your hot oats are simmering and nearly done, whisk in 1 or 2 egg whites during that last minute of cooking. Keep stirring steadily. The egg whites cook almost instantly and seamlessly disappear into the oats. They add virtually no discernible flavor, but they deliver a significant boost of protein. This extra protein is what truly helps you feeling full for hours, and it's a fantastic ally in stabilizing your blood sugar. As a bonus, it makes your oats incredibly creamy. It's a non-obvious, high-leverage hack that makes a huge difference in your morning fuel. Try preparing a batch of overnight oats with milk and a few berries. See how easy your morning becomes. Let's explore even more ways to elevate your oat game and spark some excitement in your mornings. Here's a completely different direction. Savory oats, moving beyond the sweet. Who declared that oats must be sweet? This concept is a delightful surprise for many. Simply cook your rolled oats with just a tiny pinch of salt instead of any sugar. Once they're perfectly cooked, crown your bowl with a perfectly fried or poached egg, a generous sprinkle of black pepper, and perhaps some fresh chives. You could even sauté some spinach or mushrooms and add those. It's surprisingly delicious, deeply satisfying, and offers a refreshing breakfast experience that's rich in sustaining protein, keeping those sugar cravings firmly at bay. It's a whole new world for your taste buds. Our next supercharge for your oats is chia and flax, the dynamic fiber duo. This is an effortlessly powerful way to upgrade your bowl. Stir a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and a tablespoon of chia seeds into your warm cooked oats. These tiny titans are nutritional powerhouses. You'll be adding robust omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for supporting brain health, alongside an incredible surge of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The chia seeds will gently expand, creating a lovely, satisfying texture that makes your oats even thicker and more filling. It's a simple, fuss-free method to pack more essential nutrients into your day without even trying. Now for our final oat revelation, paired with a powerful insight for lasting fullness. Our last idea is nut butter and cinnamon for sustained energy. Stir a generous tablespoon of your favorite unsweetened nut butter, be it almond, peanut, or cashew, into your warm oats. The healthy fats from the nut butter are excellent for satisfying your hunger and providing a steady, reliable energy source. Then don't skimp on a good sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a warming spice, it's also recognized for its ability to assist with blood sugar balance, making this combination a true powerhouse for keeping you energized and your body feeling stable. It's creamy, comforting, and genuinely keeps you going. Here's the ultimate stay full secret. This is a truly high-leverage piece of advice. Always pair your oats with an additional source of healthy fat or protein. While oats are fantastic on their own, adding a little something extra elevates them to extraordinary. A small handful of walnuts or pecans stirred in, a generous dollop of plain Greek yogurt on top, or even a side of cottage cheese will make an undeniable difference in how long you stay truly satisfied and how consistently your energy flows. Think of these additions as solid anchors for your meal, preventing you from drifting into hunger too soon. Try adding a small low-sugar apple like a Granny Smith or a few walnuts to your next bowl of oatmeal for sustained energy and better blood sugar control. Our journey to feeling great isn't solely about what you place into your body, it's also profoundly influenced by what you do with it. What happens after your meal can be just as important. A gentle, unhurried stroll can work wonders for your digestion and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, especially after your oat-fueled breakfast. Envision a slow, easy walk around your home or just a short, relaxed loop around the block. No need for anything strenuous or intense. Even a modest 10 to 15 minutes of light movement can significantly help your body process your meal more efficiently, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. It's not about an exhaustive workout, just a touch of mindful motion. And always, always remember to listen closely to your body. Safety. If you have heart, balance, or joint issues, please talk to your clinician before starting any new movement routine. And always, always stop if you feel any pain. Your comfort and safety come first. So, my friend, you now carry the vital truth about many healthy granolas. You're equipped with the wisdom to decipher those labels and no longer be swayed by clever marketing. And even more powerfully, you have 5 delicious, uncomplicated oat ideas to truly nourish your body, keep you satisfied for hours, and genuinely boost your energy. Your breakfast is a formidable tool in your health arsenal, particularly as we gracefully move through life. Choose wisely, choose for yourself. It's not about achieving perfection every single day, but about taking small, consistent steps forward. Pick one of these oat ideas that truly calls to you and simply try it. Feel the difference. It's all about progress, not some unattainable ideal, and finding what truly makes your unique body feel its absolute best. I'd truly love to hear from you. What unexpected healthy food have you recently discovered might not be so healthy after all? Or what new oat topping has become your favorite? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your personal stories and insights are incredibly helpful to everyone else in this growing community. And if this video has empowered you to make smarter breakfast choices, please do me a kind favor and share it with a friend who might also benefit. Let's spread this valuable truth far and wide and help each other thrive. Remember, every small, conscious choice you make builds into a powerful, enduring foundation of health. Your journey to feeling truly amazing begins one smart breakfast at a time. Keep living vibrantly, keep exploring new ways to care for yourself, and keep prioritizing your well-being. Next, we're tackling living with chronic fatigue, 5 daily habits that give you energy back. Tap the card on screen to watch it now. See you next time, friend.